Groups of pronouns. There are three groups of pronouns: first person, second person and third person. First person pronouns. The person speaking is called the first person pronoun. The first person pronouns are I or me, in the singular, and we or us, in the plural. Second person pronouns. The person spoken to is called the second person pronoun. The second person pronoun is you, in both singular and plural. Third person pronouns. The person, or animal, or thing, spoken about is called the third person pronoun. The third person pronouns are he or him, she or her, and it, in the singular, and they or them, in the plural. Grammar help. The word I is always spelled with a capital letter. The pronoun he is used for men and boys, she for women and girls, and it for things and animals.